How to download and install Microsoft Excel for free. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can install Microsoft Excel for free. Now before I teach you guys that, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now let's jump right into it. First step, open up your Microsoft Store. Search for Microsoft Store and then open it up. After you're there, what you'll have to do is search for Office 365. So search for Office 365 and hit enter. After you search for that, you'll find all the available options. So there you can see multiple different options. Now previously it was used to call Microsoft Office 365, but now it's called Microsoft 365 Copilot. This is the one. So here you'll find an install button. Install it. After you install it, you will get multiple different features, including all of Microsoft's apps. So let's open it up. So here you can see all of the available apps, including Excel. Now you can use this for free. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.